Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can create a fake WhatsApp account with fake WhatsApp number. This video is strictly meant for educational purposes, so don't misuse it. As this tutorial is a bit complicated, so you need to watch this video until the end and follow the steps properly. I have already used this trick to prank some of my friends, and I believe this is some of the few working tricks to create a fake WhatsApp account with fake WhatsApp number. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel and tap the bell icon to stay updated. I often make and upload videos on technology, cybersecurity and ethical hacking, so make sure you subscribe and tap the bell icon. I recommend you to download the video as it might get removed later. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you need to download these apps from the links given in the description below. Second Line and WhatsApp Business. As you can see on the screen, I have already downloaded these apps. So after you download these apps, you need to open Second Line app and create an account by entering your email ID and password. You don't need to remember this email ID and password, the credentials you use for Second Line app, because it's not required later. Then the app will ask you for some specific permissions. You need to enable them all. You need to allow them all. You don't need to worry because it's a secure app. You need to give your location as well. You need to give your location permission as well. Then you need to enter the area code. Just enter any random area code. In my case, I am using 458. Then it will show you some phone numbers. Don't click on continue. Now open WhatsApp Business, agree to the terms and conditions and enable all the permissions that the app asks you. So change the area code in WhatsApp to +1 and enter the numbers one by one to check whether it's valid or not. This is not going to be an easy task, so you need to have patience and to find a valid number to create an WhatsApp account with a fake WhatsApp number. So after trying for like 5 to 7 minutes, I found a valid number. After you find a valid number, go to Second Line app and select the number and then click on continue. After clicking on continue, you'll be receiving message that the fake number receives. Then go to WhatsApp Business and create the WhatsApp account with that fake WhatsApp number. For verification purposes, WhatsApp will send you an OTP for verification purposes. So you can receive the verification OTP in the Second Line app. Just paste it and you can successfully create your WhatsApp account with fake WhatsApp number. You might be thinking that if the app provides the same number to someone else, they can also create a WhatsApp account with the same number using this Second Line app. So to prevent this, enable two-step authentication. Use a PIN to protect your WhatsApp account so that no one with the same number can create a WhatsApp account like that of yours with the same number. So this was all about today's video. Please like and share this video and subscribe my channel for regular updates related to technology, cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next one.